All right, YouTube. I'm doing a quick update on my blog's traffic since it is right now. Today is, I'll show you, November 1st, 2019. And as you can see here, the numbers are not great. The start of this year, last year, December, getting 1,200 views. And then from this year on, 1,000. And, it started to drop off a lot. I mean, May, I got not even 200 views. And then it started to pick up 270, 295, 276, 244. So last month, September, I got 244 people. September, October, I got 283. So I'm predicting that this would be the hockey stick growth. This would be the time that it'll start going up. I predict that. Excuse me. I got 4 views today. 4 views here today. So I don't know if you can see that. I got 4 views today, but again, September 244, last month 283. So I'm hoping this month will be 300, and December will be 350, and it'll start going up. And I'm hoping that this will be the trend going forward. I hope that will happen. This is my traffic. I got a lot of blog posts on my blog, so I'll do 3 posts a week, and it is what it is. Though it is what it is, and we try to make it work. We try to make it work. So my name is Ty, and my blog is the xking.com. Thanks for watching.